Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement Exterior Door Handle. This exterior door handle is specifically for the 2010 to 2013 Nissan Rogue when equipped with the Smart Entry Keyless system. Typically on these early Nissan Rogues, the original door handles were known to fail, especially over here where the original plastic pieces in the handle would break, making opening your door impossible. Additionally, the sensors built into these as part of the Smart Entry Keyless system were also known to go bad. And with this exterior door handle, not only can you easily and quickly replace your broken or worn out exterior handle, it will also refreshen the look thanks to the great glossy finish. While this exterior door handle is not a genuine OEM part, it does have the same OEM fit, quality, and finish throughout, as it is designed to be a direct replacement to work exactly like their original one, thanks to, of course, the OEM size, OEM mounting locations, and the high quality chrome finish. However, this handle does have improved design meant for longer life expectancy and includes all the necessary aspects for your intelligent key system to work, including the button here and the installation cable. Removing an exterior door handle is a lengthy job, but this kit actually comes with very detailed instructions to help you know exactly what to do. So, with the right tools and the instructions, this can be something you do yourself. If you have any questions about this replacement exterior door handle, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.